Okay, and we're live. It says we're live, and I think we're on the air. Hi, everybody. Welcome to the program here. For those of you who are a bit confused, what time is this live show start? It's on right now. Sorry, those of you who are regulars, you know I go live pretty well at this time every day, and so I welcome you to the program. It's your buddy Uncle Bruce here on Stock Markets with Bruce, live on board the Queen Mary 2 for the last time. We are just about to reach New York City. We've been going across the North Atlantic now. Left Hamburg about 9 days ago, and going to be in New York tomorrow morning, Brooklyn, and I won't be on the air tomorrow morning for this show. I won't be on the air tomorrow morning. I might make it tomorrow at the close from our hotel. So stand by, keep an eye on the YouTube, and you might notice me on the air at the close tomorrow. What's going on? We got activity going on this morning right now on Sofi. We have got something nice going on. We thought we were going to talk about Tesla and how great their stock's doing. Their stock is doing great, but Sofi is really shaking things up here. We're at 1081 to 1084 on Tesla. On Sofi right now. Sofi. I have no news. I don't have anything to tell you. I don't know why. I think I know why. I have many reasons why the stock should go up and is going up right now, but I cannot in any way say with any conviction there's one specific reason there's buying coming into this market this morning. I have no way to tell you that. If any of you out there have been able to get any information on SoFi about maybe an analyst report was released, some brokerage firm upped their guidance or something, you let me know. But I have not seen anything here so far. We're on 1.2, almost 1.3 million traded as of this moment on SoFi. And we closed last night at 1042, losing 16 cents yesterday after going all the way down to 1022 or something like that, 1018 maybe. We came back to 1042 last night, and then in the aftermarket at 1050, back to 1050, and now here we are at 1082 to 1084 range right at this moment for SoFi shares. And again, I do not have an official anything anywhere. I do not see any announcement, no research, something, nothing. I don't think CNBC is talking about SoFi. So here we are, 1081, 1082, 1084. Welcome to the party. The high yesterday was 1065, and at 1065, that was the 52-week high yesterday, 1065. So when we open for trading in about 26 minutes, if the shares trade anything over 1065 or higher, new 52-week high is officially recorded for the company, for the stock. Now, at 1080, it's a no-brainer, but we're not trading in the open market right now. We're in the pre-market. That doesn't count. We'll take it 1086. Another 2 cents just came through. We seem to be getting waves of buying on the stock, and it's moving it up. Now, you might be sitting there going, could it be a short squeeze, Bruce? Could it be that? Could it be this capped call financing you keep talking about that no one else talks about, that no one writes about? Could it be this call option that SoFi has on itself? Because we're now at 1089. We're going for $11 here. The closer we get to 1454, the more certain this deal is going to close out. It's going to be in a $1.7 billion switch in debt for equity in the company without any stock being issued from the treasury. Is this happening? 1092. We're going up now to 4 cents a trade at the moment. There is nothing for sale. There is nothing for sale in the quantity needed by whomever is buying up this stock. 1088 to 1092 right now on your SoFi. 1.4 million so far going through here. 100,000 a minute, maybe. Pretty good volume. 11 is certainly in the wheelhouse. It could go beyond that, obviously. Who's going to stop it? I don't know. 1089, I'm seeing now 1089 trades. And like I said, we're at 47 cents. I like it. Almost 4.5% gain so far this morning. Over on Rocket Lab, we've got a little move now. 1095 on Rocket Lab, 1087 on Sofi. These two are about to break 11 together. Sofi may well pass Rocket Lab, which doesn't surprise me. I think Sofi will pass Rocket Lab and keep going. Rocket Lab will follow, but it won't go as fast as Sofi. I guess Sofi is making a ton of money right now. They are really turning in the results. The street doesn't either believe it or doesn't know it. We'll find out Tuesday morning when they talk. 1089 right now. GameStop is up 8 cents. Matterport is up about 5 cents. We've got 23andMe up about 8 cents. We've got Apple right now down 14 cents, losing 5.10 yesterday. There's reports about slowdown in iPhone 16 orders, 10 million units between the fourth quarter, the first quarter, and the second quarter of 2025. This is not catastrophically bad, but it's just an indication that, well, maybe this phone isn't outselling like they thought it was. And so there's this uncertainty. Well, welcome to the world of Apple. Tesla up $31 a share to talk about the star of the day. 14.6% gain right now on Tesla in the pre-market, 244.83 after losing 430 yesterday. Stock lost 430 yesterday, and here we are up 31.24. Congratulations, all of you who are shareholders of Tesla. You've been writing call options on Tesla. You've been doing cash secured puts on Tesla, and you've been doing credit spreads on Tesla, especially your put credit spread writers. You are getting your money back and more for what you paid to take my lessons, to understand how options work. Are you being paid off handsomely? Along with the Sofi shareholders this morning, 1091 on Sofi, by the way. Microsoft up 177, Google up 92, Amazon up 87, Nvidia up 138 at 140.94, Nvidia going higher. Meta, Facebook up 390. A very interesting morning. Now, IBM is the loser, down 950, inexplicably loser, but there are those out there saying, you know, Bruce, the stock was 188 a share in August. IBM doesn't go up $40 in a couple of months. That's not Big Blue's way. This stock moves a buck and a half normally, and it doesn't go up $2 a day for 30 days in a row, $60. IBM can't come out with an announcement that surprises everybody and they've invented a new something and it's going to transform the world. No, IBM is so massive with so many hundreds of thousands of employees globally. This is a cash-generating monster, and they're doing just fine, and AI is their friend, not their enemy. This company is going to do very nicely going forward, and so will the shares, as if they aren't doing well as it is. Today, a little pullback because, you know what? The stock was priced for perfection. And whenever that happens, stocks slump a little bit, reconsolidate, and then go from there. Do not be surprised if we don't open as low as the pre-market is showing. And don't be surprised a week or two from now, we're even higher than we were a couple of days ago on IBM. Do not be surprised by any of that. Just let it happen. If you're an option writer, you don't care. It's okay. Welcome one and all to the option party. It's nice to have you here. 1087, 1090 on Sofi. Volume now 1.55 million shares as we are coming now about 21 minutes away from the opening of the session here. Sofi shares are moving up, and they're moving up smartly. No complaining around these parts. If you've written $10 cash secured puts, you've written 12s, you've gone out to even write 15s, way to go. The higher these shares go, the lower the puts will be. And the last time I saw 10s trade, 211 was the last quote that I saw, last trade I saw on $10 Jan 26 puts. 206 was the bid last night. I have a suspicion we might be 190.95 bid, maybe even lower. I know a number of you wrote cash secured puts on Sofi in the last 3 weeks, 2 weeks, week, and you got anywhere from 275 to 335 a share. And they're now going to be under $2 pretty quickly here. The sevens are only 79 cents bid as of last night. The 12s are showing a 325 bid last night. Those were in the 455 range not too long ago. The 15s probably were trading around $7+ they're 545 last bid, and I don't know if that's going to hold at all, because the 15s are now only worth $4.16. They're losing money. The 12s are worth 116 book value, and there's a 325 bid on there last night. That is a very hefty premium, $2 premium practically on a 15-month, 14-month contract. Very interesting on Sofi. Well done, everybody. Congratulations, and enjoy the ride. We may well break 11 first thing this morning. I don't know. We might have a little bit of a pullback at the opening because people are going to get too excited. Then we consolidate a little bit, and then we take a run to 11.25 today. That could happen. No guarantees. But the way this thing is running, and the way this thing is trading, and the way how thin it is on the sell side. Now, do not be surprised now. The higher we go, the more fluctuating we're going to get, the more volatility. There will be some volatility in SoFi. 10, 20 cents of volatility will become normal. But then again, $1 up days could become normal. So what do you want? You want to take $1 up days for a week with a bit of a 20, 25 cent volatility in the middle of that? Give it to me. Turn this into a Tesla. Turn this into an AI. Turn this into a GameStop. I dare you to take this to 2025 a share. My viewers here are more than happy to write options wherever this stock wants to go. No problem. Giddy up, kids. You deserve nothing but profits for your loyalty to this stock. 1085 on 1.63 million so far in the pre-market. Welcome, everybody, to the program. It's great to have you here. Sorry for the technical issues today. Couldn't get my computer to talk to my software program, and this internet that we have on this ocean liner is good, but it's sometimes iffy, and so I'm just doing the best I can with what I have. We'll not be on the air at the opening tomorrow. We might be on the air at the close tomorrow. We will be on the air Monday morning at the opening to see how things are going. Those of you in New York or in the area, if you can come on into Manhattan Saturday, there's a free lunch waiting for you at Carmine's. Not McDonald's. There's a McDonald's next to Carmine's. We're not going to have it there. We're going to have it at Carmine's. Come on by, say hi. Meet and greet with Uncle Bruce and Auntie Jen this Saturday. If you're going to come in, send me a private email. Let me know. Talk to me. Tell me you're coming. Tell me if you're bringing anybody with you so that I can add you to the list for the reservations. There's my email address right there. If any of you have any questions about your trades, the trades you got going on Tesla, on Sofi, on anything else, send me a private email. I'll try to get back to you as best I can. For those of you who are becoming option writers, who want to become option writers, you want to join this channel and make money in this market, because that's what we do here. Head over to this website, stockmarkerswithbruce.ca. Check out my classes, 17 of them. The first two, classes 1 and 2, by the time you take the first 2 classes, it's possible you'll be itching to start writing. You're just going to go, I want to write right now. I want to write options right now. By the time you take the second class, easily you could start writing options for free without any risk to you whatsoever by just opening up a practice account with any of these online brokerage firms. You can set up a practice options writing account and start writing contracts there. You can start imitating the viewers of this channel, the existing gang of regulars here, and do what they're saying that they're doing, and then fold your arms and see if they're making money or not. Or listen to what I'm saying and go, gee, I like this idea of him talking about writing credit spreads on Tesla, $40 behind the market or $30 behind the market. There's something to this. I got to take his classes on credit spread writing, and Maybe I'll look into that. I'll try that with my practice account. Up to you when you're ready. If you are serious about making money, you're going to be serious about taking these classes and hanging out with these regulars. What can I tell you? Welcome all. Big E is here. Number 1 thumbs up today. Richard Carlin is here. Stephen Butler is here. Number 6. Thank you, everybody. We're thinking Tesla goes down after market. John Biscuit, today will be a good day for Sofi after the lending club results. And I don't know what those are. If anyone can tell me what's happening here. Lorraine, good morning. Burrow King Sound, howdy do. Number 10, B. Griggs is here. Burrow King Sound, good morning. ER is here. Number 14, Romeo, good morning all. Spicy is here. Romeo, 11, I thought it was 14. Maybe I'm 15. Touch Grass, let's rock, baby. Flint Creek Soap Company packing up and heading your way with soap samples for anyone coming to the meet and greet Saturday. Come and meet Flint Creek in person. And soap lady. A soap lady, get some free soap. Jen can't wait. Got a couple of orders as well already to fill. Fantastic. D.H. Ruda, number 32, thumbs up. Walter Young, good morning, Uncle Bruce. And Auntie Jen, thumbs up, number 36. John Biscuit, it's because of the Lending Club results last night. John Biscuit, they were great, which is going to influence the SoFi results. Lending clubs are up 19%. Touch Grass, Noto's been posting some bullish reports on Twitter, apparently. I love this. Thank you, everybody. Keep this coming. John Biscuit, why do I bother? Says John. Amy, good morning. Charlie, number 45. Dave Penny, good morning, Uncle Bruce and all. I stumbled across an old episode of your show, and well, let me say this: I can make Uncle Bruce laugh hysterical. Will you give my son courses number 1 and number 2 for free? Would you mind giving him these classes for nothing? Bobby Atkinson, good morning, mateys. Vladdy, number 49, good morning. Bobby Atkinson, I saw 1042 on SoFi already this morning. 1084 now. He said, oh, make that 1082. I'm showing 1084. I saw 1090 already. Charlie, I wrote contracts on IBM trading at 232 yesterday. I bought. What is he saying here? I bought 3 March 21, 2025 calls with a 195 strike, $37 in the money, and paid $41.30 each, $12,500. So you bought call options, and you're ahead on them. Let me just see here, and not yet. Dave Penny, I can't hold back because I'm still cracking up here. Free course or no course. I know a bunch of yours will remember this. And I hope this doesn't become you had to be the one. I don't know what Dave is talking about. I don't know what's going on. Charlie, turned around and I wrote 3 covered calls at 245. Okay, so you bought 232 calls. You wrote 245 calls for October 25, and I was paid $235 each after commission, $13 out of the money contracts, $705 US for 3 days. There we go. So he's writing puts or writing calls, and he's also working, well, just making money. Please make money. CKT number 55, dude, loving this Tesla move. Match, good morning. Hit the beans. It's going to be a big Thursday today, dude. Let's see. Right, Tesla put spreads all the time. Tesla runs a month later. Tesla drops. Today, Tesla pops. Always be rolling profit, big money. Sharon is in the house. How you doing, Sharon? Are you coming to New York to see us on Saturday? Are you bringing the author himself? Dave Penny, you had to be there moment, Tony. Clean the crud from the mouse. What a classic memory from the Uncle Bruce show. Dude, as long as you have the buying power to hold a spread in the money, it's no problem to roll in the money and wait. Plus, right call spreads out of the money, the market has an upward bias. Larry Titus, good morning, all number 51, thumbs up. Bobby Atkinson, what's after this week in Uncle Bruce? Calgary or California? We'll be in Calgary next week. We'll be home in Calgary. Olang, which stocks should I buy if I know for sure Trump is going to win? I wouldn't be a buyer of stock. I'd just be an option writer. It doesn't matter. Dude, Tony was in jail. There you go. Mash, hey, Uncle Bruce, you ever do scuba? No, I don't do that. 6 Kings. Try signing up for lesson number 1, people. Start with lesson number 1. Bobby started TW put spreads to write put spreads. GameStop 2018's November 15 for 59 cents times 5. Okay, so you wrote 5 credit spreads on GameStop, 18 and 20s for November 15 expiry, and then you did DraftKings 30s and 32s for November 8 expiry. You got 29 cents, 5 of those. Got it. Okay. So it cost him, it's a $2 spread on GameStop. So he needs $200 to write one credit spread. He did 5 of them. So he needed $1,000 of capital to write these 5 credit spreads on GameStop. He brought in $59 times 5. I think that's $295 against $1,000. 29.5% on his money for November 15 expiry. On the DraftKings, same thing. He needed $1,000, $2 per spread, 200 times 5 times, $1,000 of capital to bring in 29 cents, which is $29 times 5, which is $145, 14.5% for November 8 expiry. So those die in 2 weeks. Nice. Very interesting. And of course, he is behind the markets on both of these. Okay, dude, I don't really remember Tony. I just remember one day checking in and seeing Uncle Bruce mentioning Tony all stream, laugh about somehow Tony was kicked out of his YouTube account. So he was emailing Uncle Bruce, and that was a lot of drama. It all worked out. 6 Kings, trying to use my debit or credit card, but it keeps going back to PayPal for payment. Can I use debit or credit like it says on the website? Thank you very much. I was under the impression, I've always been under the impression that if you have a credit card or a debit card, you can use PayPal to buy a class. I've been under that impression. For some of you, you need to, maybe what you need to do is go to paypal.com and then enter the name of the person you want to send money to, which is me, Bruce Frommert. Let me just pop this up. I think I have one of these. Yeah, here it is. The ticker will run on the bottom. So it's paypal.com, Bruce Farmer, Traveling with Bruce. The reason Traveling with Bruce is there is because that's my first YouTube channel, the older one, the original channel I created, and that's how I created the PayPal account then. So if you want to send funds to me through PayPal, go to paypal.com, go to Bruce Farmer, Traveling with Bruce. Just enter that info in, Traveling with 2 L's. You'll see my face in the picture. And you should be able to send funds through a credit card or a debit card. I have been under this impression for 7 years. If you're in Canada, you can send me funds through electronic transfer using my email account, brucefarman@hotmail.com. If you're in the States, you're going to need to do this. But you should be able to use PayPal. You should be able to use PayPal. Again, if anyone has any advice for Six Flags or 6 Kings, please let them know. Anyway, let's see what's going on here. John Anderson, hello everybody, dude. And we're getting Tony updates throughout the stream from Uncle Bruce. It was good times. Here we go. Michael, thank you, Uncle B, for the help yesterday. It was truly appreciated. Rock and roll, buddy. Getting richer. I love it. What else? Talking about old Uncle Bruce streams is a real you had to be there kind of thing. Though at the time, Uncle Bruce was laughing at everyone from our dumb comments. I wasn't laughing at your comments. I was educating you guys and getting you up here. Anyway, it's all right. Does anyone know why Sofi is up? There are more buyers than sellers. There are more people trying to buy the stock than sell the stock. There's a shortage of stock. It's going up in price. That's the rudimentary basics. Okay. Now, why are there more buyers? Why are there more buyers? Why? I don't know. Although something about lending club or something looks good. There's stuff flying out there about SoFi doing really well, and I believe there's a lot more to this than what little comments we're getting. But bottom line, there's buyers coming in, and there's a huge short position, and so adding up. There you go. Welcome all, and thank you all for being here. Splair, welcome. Nice to see you here. He sees it almost at $11. Christina, 6 Kings. Did you go to USF? I did. Go Bulls. I have no idea what this means. Dude, SoFi has been on a run and announced a new loan deal, which seems to spur the movement up as we're already heading up as well. Earnings are coming soon. Tuesday morning pre-market. Dude, October 29th before the open. Yes, sir. Okay, we'll do says 6 Kings. Mr. Premium of the Option, happy Thursday. Time to fill our pockets. Yes, indeed. Nathan, we're opening in 5 minutes. By the way, I needed to create a PayPal account, but I do use my debit card and not PayPal credit. Again, I don't know what to say. It's free to open up a PayPal account, and you can use a debit card. I'm certain of it. You can use a credit card. It shouldn't be an issue. You shouldn't be afraid to do that. But again, I'm not PayPal. I'm just a guy who offers payment through PayPal. Unless you're in Canada, you can do electronic transfer. There you go. Let's go, Sofi, says Nathan. D.A. Truda, I'm waiting for the Sofi quarterly report surprise. Seems like every earnings report, the stock gets slapped. Yes, that has happened from time to time. But what if the reverse happens this time? Earnings come out and it pulls a Tesla and it goes up $3 a share. Then what? I'm just saying. I don't know. I'm just saying. I like the upside of this stock, but hey, I'm in it for ever and ever. I'm not here for a one-day flip. B. Griggs, you can check out as guest if you don't have PayPal. You can check as guest. Interesting. Dave, Uncle Bruce, go back and watch the beginning of Uncle Bruce Loses It from your channel, and all my munchkins will be clear to you. Thanks, and good day. Thanks, Dave. Have a good one, buddy. This time was a click like for those cannot afford to tip Mr. B. Please hit the likes button. Oh my God, fat fingers. Forget it. I can't type, Bruce. I can't do it. Splair, my only issue was connecting PayPal with, for example, bank account number 2 out of 2, but after clearing everything with the settings, it worked fine. Dude, Six Kings, it's simple. You don't have to use a PayPal card. If you're having trouble, they have a toll-free number too. You can also talk to them about that. So, okay, there you go. All my mumbling, says Dave. Welcome, everybody. We're opening in 3 minutes. 1089, last indicated trade.
CNBC says 1 minute, 14 seconds.
Okay, 1 minute, 14 seconds. 1082, 1089, 1090. I don't know what we're trading at. We're all over the place, but we're up 45 cents a share on SoFi this morning on 1.8 million pre-market volume. Looking just fine. Over on other stocks we love to follow around here. Let's update my thingy. The thingy thingy says Rocket Lab is $11. It's up 8 cents on Rocket Lab. SoFi 1088 up 46 cents, 12 cents more, and we're at $11. Giddy up. GameStop up 7 cents. Matterport up 5. Got nothing on 23andMe. Spire up 42 cents, but I don't think that's a real quote. Smart Rent 168, 170. Apple down 86 cents. Tesla holding a $31 gain to 244.82. Congratulations, Tesla holders. Microsoft up 75 cents. Alphabet down a penny. Amazon up 65 cents. Nvidia up 124. Meta up 350. Goldman up 162. Cisco up 6. We're about to open for trading. Let's get on with it. IBM was showing a loss of $12.50 going into the opening at 220.19. We'll see if it actually does that once the opening kicks through. Welcome one. Welcome everybody. We're open. We're here. We're alive. Let's go. Let's just go higher, okay? No hard feelings. Let's just go higher and let option writers make a bunch of money on shrinkage. Nothing fancy to worry about. It's just, just another day in paradise. Welcome all. Jen and I are on the Queen Mary 2. Last day. We'll be in New York tomorrow morning in Brooklyn, and we'll head to Manhattan for our hotel. Thank you all for joining me. It appears like SoFi is 1095 right now. 1095 to open the day. That's what it looks like. I can't guarantee that, but it appears to be 1090 to 1095. This is a new 52-week high by a nice amount. We were at 1065 yesterday for the high of the year. Now 1090-95 range seems to have been hit. It's a few seconds into the opening, so we'll see how this plays itself out. Welcome to the party, pal. It's nice to have you around. We had 3 days of losses on the S&P 500, and now we have an up move, and Tesla is helping dramatically there. 1097 on SoFi, up 55 cents, trying to break $11. 1098 now has been registered. 1098 for the high, and I've seen apparently 1101 has been touched already on your SoFi. 1101 apparently has been hit and that is the new high of the year at this moment in time. 1095, 1098 right at the moment, as we see 3.1 plus million go through, and that might be low or light, I don't know, but we got action going here on SoFi as well as other stocks. Okay, welcome to the party, pal. 1107 on Rocket Lab, 1108. So SoFi just behind Rocket Lab. GameStop up 16, the Matterport up 4. We've got Apple down 180, Tesla holding a 29.83 gain at 243.26 right now. The 52-week high on Tesla 271. So we're slowly coming up to that range. Microsoft up 57 cents, Alphabet down 57, Amazon down 41, Nvidia's up 90. Meta Platforms up 128. Over on IBM, we are down $15 a share at 217. A $20 drop from the high of the year just a few days ago at 237. We're now at 217. This could be a buying opportunity. This is certainly a rollover opportunity for call option writers, and you just make your moves here, make your adjustments, and just see what the option change shows you. And let's go from here. Okay, welcome all to the program. It's nice to have you here. 1123 on Rocket Lab, 1105 on SoFi. SoFi's up 63, Rocket Lab's up 31. So SoFi's catching Rocket Lab, but Rocket Lab is moving higher right now. Both are over 11 right now, 1104, with a high on SoFi of 1105 so far. That's where we are right now. The high of the year, I see now 1106 as the high of the year on SoFi shares. 4.5 to 5 million traded, I'm guessing, because these numbers are behind. But we are definitely moving up on SoFi nicely, smartly. 61-cent gain, 6%. We're up 3% on Rocket Lab right now. 1127 on Rocket Lab, 1106 on SoFi, the 52-week high of the year right now. Your 10s are $1.06 out of the money. Your $12 puts are worth 94 cents book value. Your $15 cash secured puts are worth now $3.93 each and falling. 1107 on SoFi. Another penny has just been put through here higher. GameStop up 21 cents, 20.73, 20.75. Welcome to the party, pal. How you doing? How you feeling about all this? Is anyone happy around here? Is anyone pleased with what's going on? It's nice to see you all here this morning. Welcome to the party. Please give a thumbs up if you can. Help the channel out. Give us a little bit of momentum. E-Dog is saying SoFi 3-year high was 24.65 and it'll be back there before you know it. There's some good talk right there. Be the casino. Good luck today, everybody. Take the gambler's money. Dude, Dave Penny, I remember the old insane streams where Uncle Bruce would go 10 hours and there wouldn't be 10,000 viewers. It's crazy. Larry Titus, there would be 10,000 viewers. I remember the days I was on 7-8 hours, 250,000 viewers. I remember those days. Those were really something. Larry has rung the bell. Thank you, D.H. Ruda. Neat. Dude, David, hopefully you're sticking around to see what we're going to do these days, making insane money around here now. Brian, Uncle Bruce, I bought 100 shares of ASE for $26.50. I wrote a November $27 cover call for $3.20. This is fun. I like this game, Brian says. This is a fun game. This is easy money. SoFi 52-week high, says Brian. B. Griggs, SoFi 11. Bobby 1098. Cameron, holy schnickies. E-Dog 1170 was 2-year high for SoFi last summer. D.H. Ruda 30 days ago, SoFi was 762. Neat. That's right. Waverly 11 plus June. 1110, by the way. I have call contracts on SoFi at $8 for Jan 25. Deep value. SoFi was just warming up. Shorts are losing everything. B. Tizzle, SoFi running in sympathy with Lending Club. LC just had a good earnings, so it bodes well for SoFi coming up. So we've got one public company doing really well in lending. Now the thinking is SoFi could be just as good. LLK, good morning. I'm number 95. Bobby Atkinson, it's 1110. The man, don't panic when the gap fills. Don't panic. Welcome to the party, pal. 1105, 1110 on SoFi now. and we're just rocking away here. It looks like the high has been 11.14 so far, so that's about a 72-cent total gain at one point. And the volume is showing about, what am I seeing, 6.5 million roughly, and it might be substantially higher than that. I don't know for sure. These systems aren't all that great. We are on an ocean liner in the Atlantic. Okay, cut me a break. I'm doing the best I can with what little I have. Thank you all for joining us today and being here, hanging out with us. It's great to see you all. Thank you for these thumbs ups. If you can hand out a thumbs up this morning, please do right away. If you're watching on the rerun, hit it now. Hit that thumbs up right away. Give this channel a little more momentum. People ought to know that they can make a nice buck here on SoFi shares, Rocket Lab, option writing. Absolutely. Thank you all for joining me from wherever you are. It's great to have you with us at the moment. Here we are, live and well. Thumbs up number 99 just came through. We just got the Wayne Gretzky number, so we're pushing 100 thumbs ups, going for 200 as always. Thank you for popping through here. And here's Hastergaard. I'm wondering when would be a good time to roll those Jan 26 $10 puts that we wrote. When should I roll those? Whenever you feel like taking more money off the table, if you can pick yours up for, I don't know, what are they at now? Can anyone give me a live quote for January 26 $10 puts? What is the live quote right now? Can anyone do that? Because I don't have live quotes. I'm on an ocean liner. But are they under $2? Have they dropped into the 180 level? Are they? Where are we at? I don't quite know. My quotes are not live. Let's see what gives. Lorraine, I'm number one. Thank you, Lorraine. One. What a beautiful day today. 11.12 on SoFi. Those 10s are $1.12 out of the money. Are those $10 Jan 26 puts sitting at 175, 180? What are they? How bad off are they? I do not know. It will take me another 5-10 minutes to get my first quote, and it'll be behind. So I don't know. If anyone has live option quotes, do Uncle Bruce a favor. Show me on the commentary over here. What are they at right now? Those $10 January 26 puts. Bobby, when I used to live on a boat, my parents would send me up the mast to adjust the TV antenna if the signal went bad. Ask Auntie Jen to see if you get a better signal. I'm in trouble, right? The Jan 26 puts are going for 190, Bruce. Thank you, Kilo Andre. Thank you, KD, for that. Yeah, I'm figuring 190, and they're probably going to go lower than that if the stock keeps going. 1110, we broke through this barrier like a hot knife through soft butter. So, of course, anyone who wrote $10 cash secured puts on SoFi 2-3 weeks ago, you received 310, 320, 330, 335. You can pick these off for 180. You're a $1.40, 50 higher. Theoretically, could you now just roll into 12s for Jan 26 instead? Can you add a buck or two to your pocket, or can you go into 15s and write something in the 4 range? Can that be done? That is a $2-3 add-on per share in cash in your account now. Thoughts? 11.13 a share. Go, baby, go. MASH with a flat price. It was a bit of an arrow drop, the full drop. I think Tasty did the analysis that around 45 days till expiry is the highest decay. Theta decay. Oscar Jan 2026 $10 puts have a 184 premium, so they're dropping, Bruce. 184 now. The man going to buy back my Jan 26 puts and probably resell them when the gap fills. There's that too. All kinds of fun here. Folks deciding, what do I do with all these profits? How do I handle all these gains? 11.15 is the high of the day for SoFi. We're 11.11 right now. And we're looking very, very good over here. Over on Rocket Lab, 11.33 up 42. 11.11 on SoFi up 68.69 cents. GameStop up 15 cents, 20.69. Matterport is 460. 23andMe is at 475 and a half. We've got Spire at 9. I don't know if there's any trades at all. ATIP is 595. Smart Rent is 171. Apple down 113. Tesla now up $36. 249.77. Welcome to the party, pals. Microsoft down 129. Google down 168, Nvidia up 110, Meta up 197, Goldman up $3.17, Cisco up 7, Arc Innovations up 134, Pfizer up 3, HPQ down 3, Unity up 41, AI up 61, Adobe up 2 cents, Netflix down 170, IBM down 15.55 at 217 at the moment. The low of the day for IBM 216.29. We're now 217.16, still off 15.60 on the session. So credits, put credit spreads on IBM, 200 to 205s, 204s to 206, 207s, 209s, $2, $3, $4, $5 spreads, $10 spreads on credit spreads. Put credit spreads on an IBM might be the plan. Might be the time to make that kind of a move. Check out your option chains and see what the market will give you. Vanik Semiconductors up 87. Home Depot down 64. You're up 72. Uber still down 185 a share. SoFi 1110. How lovely to talk about SoFi at 1110 a share versus 690, 730, 745, 785, 815, 830. This is a lot more fun. I like this game. 1154 on your Rocket Lab, up 63 cents. Giddy up. SoFi has been rolling this morning. High of the day, 1114, 1115. That is the new 52-week high for SoFi, 1109 at the moment. Anybody having fun out there? Looks like this game is kind of fun. I like it. Let's see, what else have we got talking about here? Caroline Love, how are you, Caroline? SoFi. So all my SoFi calls will probably be exercised because they're all at $11 strike price, expiring November 8th. Do we think it'll come back down to $9.50 and then I buy back all my stock? How do I play this? How do I do it? Well, of course, if you get taken out, $11 strike, you keep the premium, you could just turn around and write $12 cash secured puts with the cash. You just do that and haul in some premium, for January 2026 and say, thank you, sir. I'll take all this cash. I dare you to take me out up here. Sit on all that money and earn daily interest. Another strategy, of course, Caroline, is November 8th, as we come close to that date, you can theoretically buy back these 11s and write 12s or 13s or 15s for December, third Friday of December, maybe January 25, 60 days out, write 12, 13s and get as much as it costs you to buy the 11s back, and now just write 12s and 13s instead or more. You can go higher, and pull the string on the exercise and say, well, take me out at 13 then. Don't take me at 11. You can have me at 13 plus the premium that I'm taking. You decide, Caroline. You know what to do. You should know what to do here. F Gun, hello, MASH. Jan 2025 puts are 70 cents. Let's see, what else is going on? Nobody. My guess is IBM didn't say the AI word often enough, or maybe not at all. Be the Casino. I bought $10 SoFi Jan 26 calls a few months back when it was around $6.50. Love that I can do poor man covered calls now. That's true. You're long these calls. You can now write against the calls. That's true. D.H. Ruda, Rocket Lab is refusing to be caught by SoFi. I'm more happy to watch the chase. This is great. The man, Clareline, it'll be below 11 by the end of the day, says the man. Richard Carlin, why let them get exercise? Just roll for a credit. Caroline, SoFi, thanks, Bruce. I'm hoping it'll come back down a bit and buy the 11s back. That was my thought process here. MASH, if you're bullish on your own covers, is to buy longs, right? Again, I don't recommend buying calls. I don't recommend it. I just say stay in your lane and zero in on taking money off the table from writers. Just zero in on that only. Forget the other side. Just don't go there. 114 says Corinne on the thumbs up meter. Brian, ASTS up 9% today. Yeehaw. Oscar, 12/20/24, so that's December 24. $13 calls are 52 cents right now. John Biscuit, is this rally due to the realization that Trump is about to be president. No, has nothing to do with any of that whatsoever. You don't have to pay attention to that nonsense. Carolyn, the man, thanks. Fingers crossed it comes down a bit so I can do that. The man, only buy calls if you're going to do poor man covered calls. Brian, Tesla's up to 250. This is crazy, man. This is crazy. John Biscuit is laughing out loud right there. Yeah, the market's, I can tell you right now, the market's going down no matter who wins the presidency if they're overvalued. The market go down if economics not go up and just go up and go up because someone got elected president. Not going to happen. Not going to happen. This is a worldwide stock market play. This is not a USA only play. This is worldwide investors who are, many of who are going to cash in on the euphoria, whatever the euphoria is, and then look for bargains, because investors never stop. Investors never stop looking for the best profit and the best bargain. Option writers never stop writing and always take premium and allow the gamblers to take all the risks. That's the best part about this game. What else is going on? Let's see. I don't want to go into politics, so I'm going to try to stay the hell away. Thank you all for being here. Brian, Caroline, you get exercise and write cash secured puts with the cash. There you go. Just do that. Giddy up. We're at 1123 on your SoFi now. New highs. 1123 to 1124 right now, up 82. This is the high of the year, the 52-week high, the high of the day. And we're rolling here. Volume now 12.8 million on SoFi. Serious buying is coming into SoFi. Fintech stocks are definitely being chased right now, it would seem, by investors and gamblers, of course, no question about it. They're looking for flips and they're thinking higher thoughts. Obviously, with SoFi's massive short position and with the cap call transaction in play for SoFi, absolutely in play. We're into this 11 neighborhood. We're talking now 1454, not so far away anymore. When we were at 8.50 a share, we were $6 away from the cap call profit. Now at 11.20 something, we're only 3.20 away from that. This is a couple of good days, and we're at 14.54. This is changing everything. This is the mood is like whoops on the short side. These guys are going, oh geez, we're in trouble. 82-cent loss today on 181 million shares. What? And we need 120 million for the cap call. Oops, that's 300 million shares in total. 80 cents a share, 240 million in losses. Oh, it's all gains for the shareholders of this company. Looking great. 11.21 right now on your SoFi shares as I see it right now. Welcome all to the program. Dude, well, I did well, but now it's time to fold my arms. Closed some Tesla put credit spreads, freed up some buying power, rolled up a few for more credit. Meanwhile, next week's spreads will be printing. There you go. Caroline says, Brian, will do. I will write cash secured puts. John Biscuit, something. Lending Club has triggered the short squeeze. And what else is going on here? John Biscuit is worried that the stock will drop after results. Well, you might be right. You might be wrong. This might pull a Tesla. We might see a $3 gain after the results. I don't know. John Biscuit, I'm very speculative of this hype, but the numbers add up. The man giddy up. Well done, dude. Well done. SoFi now up 87 Bruce, you keep breaking up on SoFi. 1127 is the high range. 1129 now is the high for your SoFi. We are on our way with an 86 cent gain on SoFi now. Might push $1 gain today. Just here we go. Earnings pre-market Tuesday morning coming up. We still have trading tomorrow and Monday. How much higher will they go? Gotta love this. It looks like Bruce's Commodore 64 is acting up again. There you go. Deep Value says shorts are experiencing the highest failures to deliver in over a year on SoFi and Rocket Lab. Isn't that cute? Rocket Lab is 1163 up 72 cents. SoFi 1122 up 80 cents. Both of these stocks are rolling. Rocket Lab has traded 2.2 million though. SoFi has traded a ton of paper here, 14.8, maybe 15 million shares already on SoFi. This Mid-Atlantic ISP is really lacking, Bruce. Christina, a few weeks ago, I sold 10 $8 calls on SoFi. I only got 53 cents for them. They are trading for $3.35 now and expire next Friday. There isn't a good roll. I don't know what to do. Fold arms. I guess there you have it. If you can roll into 8s that go a month out, maybe you can get a little more for those. Maybe you can roll into 9s 2 months out for what this will cost you. That might be your strategy. I don't know, Christina. You got to check your strategies here. You check your chains. Mid-Atlantic ISP is Iridium, I think. Dude, just a reminder, November 15 expiry puts 3236 calls and 6064 credit. Okay, puts were 3236, calls were 6064 on PayPal. I brought in $2,212 credit. That's a 22% on the buying power. 22 days to go. Dude is laughing on PayPal right now. Or is this SMCI? Again, you're into so many deals. I don't know, but nice going, dude. Making money on the spreads. While SoFi is trying to hit 1150, I searched my online banking data. They updated their banking system at my main bank, and I have to find my automatic filled login name. What a torture, says Spler. Can't help you there, my friend. I'm just a guy on an ocean liner in the Atlantic Ocean. 1124 up 82 on SoFi. The high of the session has now been 1130. Just in the last few minutes, looking very good on SoFi. Volume now 15.4 million and still moving through nicely. Giddy up. Well done all.
Some accounts are looking pretty good.
Some of the accounts out there are looking pretty good. IBM got down to 216.29, now 219.86. $3.70 recovery roughly so far on IBM. Still down 12.90 though. But that could have been the low of the day today. That might be the bargain there. I don't know for sure, but sure looks okay. Getting better looking now. Rocket Lab up 88 to 11.79. SoFi up 78, 11.20 as we fluctuate now in price here. We're up 27 on GameStop, 20.82 there. Matterport still holding a 462 market, up 3 cents. 23andMe down 4 cents. Spire's up 3. ATIP down 8. Smart Rent up 1. Apple down 119 a share. Apple. Tesla's up 35.77. 249.42. Just near $250, putting it 21 behind the 52-week high for Tesla. 48 million volume at 250 a share. We're talking dollars, baby. We're talking dollars trading in Tesla. Microsoft down 75 cents. Alphabet down 81. Amazon up 34. Nvidia is up 90. Meta is up 293 right now. Giddy up, everybody. Welcome to the program. Welcome to the party, pals. Welcome to the channel where people write options rather than buy options. as a general rule, and they make a fortune. They do very well. 1122 on SoFi. Is there another run coming to take it beyond 1130? Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. It's been one hell of a ride this morning, to say the least. 16.1 million volume on SoFi. Best as I can guess, as best as I can see. The latest quotes I have on options for SoFi, the $10 cash secured puts that some of you were writing for 3 to 335 a share, 184 bid. 184 bid, down 25 cents today. Last trade 186, still falling. The 12s are 294 bid. They're down to 298 last trade, down 34 cents. The 15s, the $15 cash secured puts, 5 bid. Last trade 505, down 45 cents. So now the 15s are falling down to the 5 level, which means, of course, if you write a cash secured put at $15, you get $5. So you're on the hook to buy stock at $10 a share. It's 11.24 right now on SoFi. The 12s, you'll get paid almost $3, which means you're paying $9 a share for SoFi if you get exercised on the $12 cash secured puts. The stock 11.23, 220 out of the money. Nice, not a bad. The 10s, like I said, they're out of the money. The 10s are worthless. They are only worth time value. 184 is the indicated value right now. June 2025's, just to compare, those 10s are going for 130. So they're falling as well. And the January 2025 puts, the 10s are trading at 69 to 72 cents. They have been annihilated in the last couple of weeks, just annihilated. The 12s for Jan 25, 174, 179. They're worth 70. They're worth 80 cents, roughly. That's all they're worth. The rest is premium. The 15s for this January 2025, the 15s are 410 to 420. And so they're worth 373, trading at 410. No premium there. It's all just book value, really. Very interesting to see how this is playing out. 410 bid, 420 offer, last trade 437. We've only had one trade so far. There you go. Option writers on SoFi. I think they're making money. Very, very good. The market right now in America, down 96 on the Dow, probably IBM related. We're up 14 on S&P, and we're up 99 on NASDAQ. Make it 100 now on NASDAQ. Oil up 68 cents a barrel, 71.44. And there you go. Interesting markets right here and right now. Welcome all to the party. Thank you for joining me. 11.23 last trade on SoFi. High of the day, 11.30. We're 7 cents away from the high of the day. Now, 11.24, 6 cents away. Up 82 cents on 17 million volume in 28 minutes for SoFi. A very good, strong opening half hour. And the stock is looking pretty darn nice here. Again, Lending Tree came out with very strong numbers, and that seems to be in helping the SoFi side of things. We're 11.24 now, but I can't guarantee that. I can't verify that any more than what I'm hearing. Giddy up, I say. However Fintech goes, I like it. IBM right now at 219.17, almost a $3 recovery from the low of the day. So IBM still has a ways to go, down 13.58. A little brutal, but what can I say? Look at Rocket Lab, up $1, 11.94 now, up $1.03 on your Rocket Lab. $1.03 gain today on Rocket Lab. 82-cent gain on SoFi. Can't catch it. 11.24 versus 11.93. Looks like Rocket Lab wants to go to 12. It just broke 11 this morning. Now it wants to go to 12. SoFi 11.24. Nice day. But Rocket Lab even better, up 105 now at 11.96 on Rocket Lab. Interesting sessions there. Any news today on Rocket Lab? I don't know if there is. A price target raised to 12 from 11 by KeyBank. That was done this morning for Rocket Lab. So KeyBank has upped its target price on Rocket Lab to $12 a share. Well, it's just about there, $11.97 right at the moment for Rocket Lab. 20% of the stock is shorted on Rocket Lab, 19.8%, 61 and a quarter million shares out of 309 tradable. That it doesn't hurt Rocket Lab either. They also have a cap call transaction that's working for them. Very nice. On the SoFi side, 1123, up 7.8%. On over, what's the volume now? 17.7 plus million, maybe even 20 million by now. I don't know if this number is accurate enough. Very interesting move on SoFi today. Very interesting move. SoFi's short position, last reported short position was 181 million, 17.8% of the float. Plus, there's a capped call transaction out there at 14.54 maximum price. So 320 away, 323 away. If the shares go 323 higher, SoFi will profit $850 million plus on their option, and that will allow them to eliminate their $850 million in debt to their institutional investors for free trading stock that doesn't come out of Treasury. That is a huge shift in wealth for SoFi. $1.7 billion switcherama from debit to credit. That looks good. 11.18 at the moment is where we're at on SoFi. So there you have it. That's the story. I'm sticking to it. Lots going on behind the scenes with SoFi as well. And Rocket Lab looking good. All righty, everybody. How you doing? Is anyone having fun out there? Are you having fun? Let's see. Rolling to December 8th will get me a dime. Look at January. Look at June's. Can you go to June 9's? Check it out. Mark, 127 thumbs up. Howdy. Let's make some money. Susan Shops, Christina. I've got $9 SoFi November 22s that I'm going to hold for now. I just looked at 9 December's. I think you could roll for credit for 16 cents. The man, the $15 cash ticket puts on SoFi is a great option. I mean, even if you have to buy them, your cost basis is like $1 below the current price. Yes, Christina, I'd have to roll to June $12 to break even on the roll, laughing out loud. The man, for Jan 26, that is. Dennis McElroy, I got $10 cash ticket puts on SoFi for Jan 25. I collected 262. They're now 65 cents. Giddy up, my friend. A time to buy those back and maybe write June 25s or January 26s, write 12s. Time to bring in dollars, my friend. B Tizzle Lending Club is up 20% today, Bruce. So this is helping SoFi a ton. B Tizzle, it hasn't been up this high since August 22, where I think we're talking about SoFi here. Rockets only go up, says B Griggs. B Tizzle, right when that bear market started and all the SPACs and low caps sold off. Walter, Lending Club, third quarter beat by 73%. Huge beat on Lending Club. Hence why the stock is rocking over there. Now we've got SoFi catching a bit of a run here for many reasons. Some think it's Lending Tree. Or Lending Club, excuse me. Well, we'll see. I'll take the gain from wherever it wants to come from. I'm an easygoing guy. Just go up. I want to see my viewers who have trades like this. If you've written puts for 262 or higher, and you can buy them back for this price, buy them back immediately. Roll into further out or further up. Go up to 12s. Jan 26s and bring in dollars. Go to 15s and bring in $4, for whatever. Give 65 cents back and take $4. This is okay. Or take 4.5, whatever you can get. Grab this cash. This is fantastic. I love it. Called Making Money. Giddy up, everybody. 11.14. Yeah, 11.14 right now. On the SoFi shares, giddy up. Over on Rocket Lab, we're showing 11.99. Have we hit 12 yet? Did we nail it? 12:07 already on Rocket Lab. 12:07 already on Rocket Lab. Looking great. Those who've written cash secured puts on Rocket Lab, I know there are viewers out here with 6s, 7s, 8s, 9s, 10s, 12s. You can now look at writing $15 Rocket Lab puts. This is your chance to write puts on Rocket Lab. I don't know what you're waiting for. Take the money. It's cash. $15 January 26 Rocket Lab puts, 6 to 620. What are you waiting for? My God, you can buy the stock for $9. It's $11.94. Come on. Oh my God. $3.90 to $4.10 on the 12s. Goodness gracious, they're worthless. They're worth 6 cents. You can get almost $4 for these things. This is pretty damn nice. Giddy up, everybody. Congratulations. There's folks out there hauling in some nice money on Rocket Lab, and you deserve it all. Beautifully done, everybody. Keep up the good work. Don't stop now. Thank you all for joining us here this morning as we keep an eye on this interesting day. 11.19 right now in SoFi, up 77. Maybe have another rally coming here. Let's see what else is going on. Anthony, what price do the cap call transactions trigger? 1454. 1454. Susan Bruce, not so sure we should be writing SoFi June 25 or Jan 26 with stock on a very green day, or should we wait for a dip? People wait for dips and never get them. People wait for dips and get hoodwinked. Money is money. Cash is cash. And I just what I hate to see is where people are up a lot of money on puts they've written and they don't take the opportunity to cash it, to roll it. They for some reason it might come back. You just can't be afraid to take money. You've just got to be aggressive and take the cash. Your account is way better off sitting on a whole bunch of money and pulling in daily interest right now and letting shenanigans happen the next 2 weeks and then figure out your next move. And even if that doesn't happen.
Be aggressive. Be aggressive.
No. Anthony, 1329. I don't know what Anthony's talking about. One, waiting for my roll to go through, rolling 10 Jan 26 to 15 Jan 26s. Anthony, 1454. There we go. Dude, Christine, I think your options roll up $1 out 1 to 2 months. That'll cost you, but you'll take some risk off and give you yourself some time premium. Dude, it's really a problem. That's not a problem. That's right. It's not a problem. These are good problems. 11.18 up 76 cents. What if the shares go to 11.75 this afternoon? You know, you can buy back a 60-cent contract and write a $4 contract or $4.50, and it goes down to $3.75 this afternoon. You're 75 cents ahead on the contract you just wrote, and you only could get 65 cents more on the contract you've done. What are you doing? Take the money. Grab the money. Zeta State yesterday was saying he was going to sell 1,000 shares of SoFi around 10.50 and write, what was it, the $15 put contract? He was going to write the Jan 50. I hope he did it, because if he did, he may be up $1 already on his put. There you go. I mean, we were just talking about this yesterday. Are you doing one-on-one coaching while you're on vacation? Yes, I am. Trying to. Torben, if you want to have a one-on-one with me, send me a private email and just let me know, first of all, tell me where you are. Like, where are you in the world? Like, what time zone are you in? We're going to be in New York tomorrow, and so we can do a one-on-one with you Saturday, maybe Sunday. Maybe I can do a one-on-one on Sunday, because Saturday is meet and greet day at Karma's. Sunday, tell me where you are so we can figure out how to do this. If you want to do it on Monday, it would be after the show. Tuesday, can't do it. We're flying home to Calgary. Then it's Wednesday, and we're back. And it's back to normal. So you let me know, Torben. You let me know when it works for you, and we'll try to juggle in something. And I've done one-on-ones while on vacation. Absolutely. I've been doing them, helping people out here, getting richer. We had a meet and greet in London. That went very well. That gang there, I think they're all smiling today. Anybody who was with us in London is grinning from ear to ear today, I am sure. Dude, can we just take a moment to admire the static movement of GameStop? So nice to have a stock just sit there and let my options shrink and shrink and shrink and shrink. How about that?
A few pennies.
Torben, I will. Thank you, Bruce. I will get a hold of you with a private email. Rock and roll. Looking forward to talking to you. 11:15 on Sofi. Rocket Lab 1197. High of the day 1207. Giddy up, everybody. IBM 219.79. Trying to get back to 220 now, with about a 370, 360 recovery ballpark at the moment for IBM. Welcome everyone to the activity here this morning. From wherever you are, welcome all. 1197 on Rocket Lab, 1115 on SoFi, 2062 up 8 on GameStop. Giddy up. Tesla up $35, 248 a share, 248.80. We've got Nvidia up 92 cents. We have AI up 61, and IBM still down 12.82 at this second in time, as we watch a whole lot of activity going on here all over the place. 11.99 on Rocket Lab. We're trying to get to 12 again on the Rocket Lab shares. 12.07 I think was the high. SoFi 11.13 or so, with the high of 11.30 today, looking very good today. And the volume on SoFi, just to update you, is now over 21 million, I think, in 42 minutes. 42 minutes of time. We've had a very good run to start the day on SoFi and on Rocket Lab. Yes, indeed. JD, January 2027 Rocket Lab, $15 cash secured puts. I could get 690. Is that tasty? I wouldn't go to 2027. 2026 Jan's good enough, or shorter, up to you. Take some dollars. J-Boy, dude, I'm right there with you. I am admiring that GameStop stock. B Tizzle, dude, face. GameStop continues to be my favorite. The clock is always ticking on these contracts. Who cares? I'm tempted to take profit on my sold cash secured puts on SoFi before earnings. What do folks think? There you go. Well, up to you. You don't really have to think about it. You can just say, these things have gone down nicely. I can roll up to higher strikes and take in more money. Cash in my account is a win. It's a guaranteed win. The money is in my hands. It's not theoretically in my hands. It's in my hands. That's a win. For some of you, you're in a position to add 30 to 50% cash on hand in your accounts right now. And you're sitting there going, should I do this? Should I do 30 to 50%? Now, the reason it's up to 50% is because you'll write puts, say 15s, you'll bring in the dough for those, as many as you can write. You'll take that money and write more 15s. If you can write at least another one, you'll do it again. And you add up how many puts you've written, and you're going to go, okay, I wrote 7, then I wrote 3, then I wrote 1. I've written a total of 11 puts, and I've hauled in this $4-something per contract, all in cash, again and again and again. And it's all in my account in cash to pay 15 a share if necessary, which means I'm buying these for $10 a piece anytime. Make me buy them. If you make me buy this stock and it costs me $10 a share and they're trading at $9.50, let's say the stock goes down and you have to buy them. Write calls. You're going to write $10 calls. You're going to write 3 months out. You're going to bring in $2-3. Thank you. Times 1,100 shares from what you got now. I mean, do the math, people. Do the math. Don't give up a win. Whatever. It's okay. I know some of you are sitting there going, I'm just going to wait for the stock to go to 15 and then I'll write calls. That's okay too. Yes, that's okay. No hard feelings. It's all right. But for some of you with retirement accounts, Some of you with 401ks, Roth IRAs, RRSPs, you might be sitting there going, I got 120 grand worth of Sofi right now. This stock is worth a ton of money. If I sell this stuff in this plan, it's tax-free, and I turn around and write cash secured puts on it, I can haul in up to 50% more cash in my retirement account right now, earning daily interest, 120 to 180, 180,000 earning daily interest, not 120,000. This right now, you're not getting any interest on anything. You just have stock. But all of a sudden, to turn your account into an interest generator, I don't know, 3% at $180,000 is $5,400 a year, 100 a week in your retirement account, tax free, plus what you're still putting into it because you're working. Maybe that's the strategy. For some of you, you're in another world. You got 400 grand worth of Sofi in your retirement account right now. It used to be worth 200 grand, 220 grand. Now it's worth 400,000. Can you turn it into 600,000 and earn daily interest? Can you get as much as 4% interest on 600 grand? 24,000 a year, 2,000 a month to do nothing. 2,000 a month added to your account in interest, tax free in your retirement account. When you're ready, you're ready. It's okay. It's all right. It's all right. It's going to be fine. This is kind of fun, isn't it? I'm having fun here. Thank you. Mash, hey, Uncle Bruce, I know that's true to turn the wheel, but it can be hard when someone is 90. Well, think like a 35-year-old. You know, what can I tell you? Think young, all right? J-Boy, what are you doing? $50 donation here. Thank you, J-Boy. Thanks again for all you do. You are a tireless beast in a good way. I appreciate that. A little bit of ship spending money. We do appreciate it. I had to buy 6 of these. That cost me $23 it cost me to buy 6 of these little bottles. This is good. Thank you all helping out. We've got daily tip money for our steward. We have a cab fare coming up to Brooklyn. We have lunch to buy at Carmine's for a bunch of you. So any donations are just terrific. We appreciate it so much. J-Boy, make Carmine's, yeah. J-Boy, make nothing but money, please. Make thousands and thousands. Make all of you make thousands of dollars and become loosey-goosey with your tip money. That's all good with us. Come loosey-goosey with your tip money. You're feeling a little drunk at the peeler bar, and you wanna throw some dollars in my G-string. Maybe Jen's G-string. Maybe. She can't stand it. That's the plan, J-Boy. Making money, baby. That's what the plan. Thank you, J-Boy. Appreciate you and all of you. It's much appreciated. Let's take a look here. 1198 on Rocket Lab. Let me refresh my page and see if there's any updates here. 1197, 1198 on Rocket Lab. 1110 on SoFi. 2066 up 12 on GameStop. Giddy up. We're up $35 on Tesla. 248.61. So that's near the high of the day. Very strong. Hold the position. These dollars are not being given back. IBM still down 13.35, 219.40. A bargain here might be the perfect time to write some put credit spreads on IBM in that 200 to 206.7 range, somewhere there. Maybe 3-4 weeks out, 5 weeks out. Check your chains and see if you can score some really nice credits on IBM, nice and low behind the market. Figure it out. Keep me posted on how you're doing. Well done, everybody out there. Congratulations, all of you. 22 to 23 million traded on SoFi easily by now. 50 minutes into the session now. Just short 10 minutes short of an hour. Very good opening hour for SoFi. Again, earnings come out Tuesday morning, pre-market, non-stop. nonstop fun for everyone. Thank you all for joining us. Thanks again for those of you who've been able to hit the thumbs up button for us today. I know we've been kind of busy here with a bunch of activity. 141 thumbs ups have been put up now, and I thank you all for this. We have 235 of you watching, and I appreciate that you're here. If the other 90 of you can find your thumbs up button, please nail it for us and help us there. Thank you also to not only J-Boy, uh, Larry. I'm hitting the road officially. I'll see you Saturday. Right on, Larry. Dude, here's $50 from me. Here's for some extra meatballs. I sadly can't attend, but a good time still had. Here's hoping. Thank you, dude. This will go towards the Carmine's Fund for sure. We'll feed some of the viewers with some of these dollars and enjoy our get together. Tell some tall tales, some tall option trading tales from yesteryear. Spread the lore of option writing within Carmine's, within mere blocks of where all the action is happening in Wall Street.
That's right. It's right there at NASDAQ.
Right there. We're right near the NASDAQ market.
I think it's just around the corner.
Just a block or two away from Carmine's is the NASDAQ stock market public lobby and all that. Giddy up, kids. Yeah, coming to where the action happens and where you guys are pulling in some do-re-mi money from this market going, thank you, sir. Thank you, gamblers. May I have another? This is great. Fantastic. Splair's got good news. I think I found that damn file with my data. Way to go there, Splair. Good for you. Good on you, buddy. 11.16 on SoFi. Looks like we're climbing a little bit at the moment. We'll see how we fluctuate along here. On Rocket Lab, it looks like we're 11.96. We're 11.15 on SoFi. I love the fact that these two stocks are in the 11s. Rocket Lab trying to go into the 12s. I love this. These quotes are a lot more fun to let you know about than $5, $6, $7, $8 a share. This is great. GameStop 2068 up 14. Go GameStop. Keep going. Just keep making people money around here. It's all good. And Tesla holding a $35 gain, $35.70, $249.31 on Tesla, 68 million traded. Think about how many dollars are changing hands at about $250 a share. 68 million of them. Wow, that is impressive. When you think about that, you see 68 million traded on Tesla. And on SoFi, you see 24 million traded. You're going, whoa, Tesla, SoFi's looking great. SoFi is fantastic, but Tesla, the dollars going through Tesla put SoFi's market to shame. That's why there's so much upside. When Tesla gamblers figure out that you could make some nice money playing the SoFi shares, yeah, we're going up $1 or $2 a day on SoFi once that begins to happen. We're not going to go up 50 cents or 30 cents. It goes parabolic. And Rocket Lab, $11.99, wants to go to 12 here. Giddy up. Been to 12.07 already. We've been to 11.30 on SoFi. We're 11.23 on SoFi. We're coming on again. We're climbing again on your SoFi shares. 11.24, 6 cents away from the high of the day on SoFi. Shares are moving higher right now on SoFi. Smart money betting big on SoFi options. Headlines are out there about that. Interesting. 11.24 on SoFi. The U.S. market right now, the Dow with IBM holding it back, is down 88 points. Last week it was United Healthcare holding back the Dow. Now it's IBM holding back the Dow. Interesting. Tesla isn't part of the Dow, so it's not getting a bump there. S&P's up 14. That's Tesla. And NASDAQ is up 107. That is Tesla. You got that right. Oil only up 18 cents at 70.95. Very good. Very good. We'll see what happens here. Giddy up, everybody. Welcome to the program. 25 million SoFi traded probably now. 52-week high has been hit today at 11.30. We're 11.23. And I don't know if we could break it into 1150 or not. It can anytime. I mean, I don't know. Could we be under 11 today at the end of the day? Could we be closer to 1150, 1175? What about Monday? Are we going to be through $12 on Monday on SoFi? Pre earnings on Tuesday morning? Like what? What? I don't know. And what about the earnings for SoFi? What if the company comes out and says, yeah, we raised 850 million earlier this year. We got $2 billion just last week, 2 weeks ago. Our forecasts are now triple what we thought we were going to make. Like, do the shares go to 1350 on Tuesday morning? And it blows the theory out the door that all of you guys were thinking, oh, it'll go down as soon as earnings comes out. It always goes down. I don't know. I don't know. Short position on SoFi is scary for shorters. Good news like that, and an awareness of how short SoFi shares really are. Yeah, this could be quite something. This might be only the tip of the iceberg. 1126 now, 4 cents short of the high of the day. We're going up again. Rocket Lab tried to break through 12. It's 1192, and we're 1125 on SoFi. SoFi climbing a little bit here, up 83 cents. Might go for another run at 1130 a share any moment. We're only a nickel away now on your SoFi shares. Anybody having fun around here? I like this game. Dave Penny, use your Coke bottle deposits to tip your waitress. Bobby, wife and I are planning a New York City trip next April, going to ride the bull. We're going to ride the bull. Right on, yeah, on Wall Street. Giddy up. Fearlessly ride the bull. Right on there, Bobby. Well, way to go, pal. Thank you all for joining us today. Man, it's been a hell of a morning this morning. Sorry if it's been kind of weird trying to get the show up and properly running and everything else. It's been a challenge. 235 of you are here. I appreciate all of you who are watching here. Welcome and thanks again for being here. The thumbs uppers, you are the best. Thank you for hitting the thumbs up button, and those of you putting in these super chats. You guys are awesome as always. Thank you so much for the super chats. A little bit of Carmine money and a little bit of tip money here on the ship. We thank you. It all helps. Our steward thanks you. He thanks you very, very much. He has been terrific. He's taken really good care of us. We're at 155 on the thumbs up meter. Thank you for these thumbs ups, you guys. Hit that thing if you can. Help us out with a little bit of a boost into the 200 range. We had 220 something yesterday. Thank you again for coming through for these thumbs ups. It is much appreciated. Helping YouTube, it's giving YouTube a good excuse to promote this channel. And that's what it's about. More people find out about what we're doing and what we're following. More fans of SoFi are being created. More fans of Rocket Lab are being created. More option writers are being created, which means you folks have more people to talk to about option strategies. And that is just building the family up and up and up. It all is a good thing. Thank you all very much. Zed Estate in the house, 159 thumbs up. Thanks, Zed. Appreciate that. I hope you were able to write that those cash secured puts yesterday. Did you sell those 1,000 shares and write 10 puts? Did you do it? I sure hope you did do it. Way to go, pal. You got the other 9,000 up $1 again, or up 80 some more cents. You can write more puts anytime you want. Well done, everybody. Thank you, Bruce, says Zed. I've been a member now for 34 months on this channel. I'm looking at upgrading my car. Thank you, Uncle B. Right on, going from a Beamer to something better than the Beamer. Rock and roll.
Faster, stronger Beamer.
Giddy up, buddy. Well, keep the drive alive, pal. Well done. Thank you, everybody, so much for your participation in today's show. It's just fabulous. We love you. We're looking forward to New York and Calgary next week. Back to the normal schedule. Back to reliable, normal internet. and maybe higher stock prices. Yes, indeed. Let's see if that can happen.
Even higher?
So tomorrow is Friday. I won't be on the air at the opening. We'll be walking off the ship at that point in time, but we might be on the air from the hotel towards the afternoon. So keep your eyes open on the channel. 165 thumbs ups now. Thank you for 165. 35 away from 200. We'll see you tomorrow, hopefully towards the close, and we'll recap the week with you, see what's going on. And then Saturday, Carmine's 1 to 3 at Carmine's. Looking forward to seeing you guys there. Those who could make it, do send me an email if you can arrive, so I can adjust my reservation count for that.
Sure you got a seat.
We'll make sure you get a seat at Carmine's. Exactly. There'll be a lot of folks at Carmine's Saturday for plays, Saturday afternoon plays. So we gotta book our spots.
Plays?
Plays? What's that? Play? Pretend? What? No, this is real life. We make money here, buddy, in real life, in real time. Giddy up. Thank you all again for that. We've got Snowboarder for Life. Are you going to spend the winter in California again? Part of it. We're still trying to figure out what is happening. We'll keep you posted. Hostergaard, what is better, writing 12s or 15s? Seems like the 12s have better break even at about $3 premium, about 9 versus the 15s, $10 with the $5 premium. You get more money if you write the 15s. You don't get as much money if you write the 12s, but you have a lower exercise thing. What do I do? How do I do it? Hostergaard, you have such wonderful problems. Wonderful, delicious problems. At the end of the day, take the money and max out your return and go from there. Decide yourself, 12s or 15s, either way. You can't lose. Jay Gill, neat, B Tizzle, neat. Right on. Hostergaard is going I don't know what that means. Thank you, everyone. I don't know what everything means. I know some of what it means, but I don't know everything. All right, guys, that's it for me. I'm done. I'm pooped. We'll keep an eye on this market as well with you guys. Send me private emails if you need any help. Thank you again for your help today. Cash donations and, of course, thumbs ups. Boeing Tiger. This is a smiley D. Oh, okay. It's a smiley. Thank you. Stephen Butler. That's what that is. It's a knee emoji. That's what that is. Thank you, everybody, for helping out. Throw those knee emojis around. Honor the Knights of Knee. They've come in handy for you today. The Knights of Knee have been good to you the last several weeks. You folks on the Tesla front and you folks over here on Sofi and Rocket Lab and the continuing movement of GameStop. Well done, all of you. D.H. Ruda, James of the Misty Tree, neat, Ostergaard, neat. Here come the knee emojis. Keep them coming in. Thank you, everybody. Have a wonderful rest of your day. We'll see you hopefully tomorrow afternoon from the Big Apple. D.H. Ruda, 33 months. I've been a member, Gold Bagel member, baby. Neat. Splayer TV is here. Hector is here. Neat. Here they come, kids. Honor the Knights of Knee. They have taken very good care of you guys. And welcome one and all to the fun zone. It's true. It sounds like Morse code. That's right. Welcome to the fun zone. How many people out there are losing money? Too bad for them. If only they knew how option writing works, they too could be doing what you're doing. Throwing knee emojis on a YouTube channel and paying to do it. How crazy is that? Who does that? Winners do that. Thank you, everybody. Enjoy Carmine's on Saturday, says Splayer. Yes, indeed, my friend. Maybe you'll join me tomorrow. Maybe you won't. It might be on too late for you. All right, you guys. Dude, neat. Thanks, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now. Oh, my goodness. Where am I? Here I am. End the stream. I need a break. Here we go.